In this course, we're going to hook up ThemeKit to our Shopify theme. And so before we can do that, what we'll want to do is create an app. So if you see on the left-hand side here, we have apps on the bottom here. And when we click on that, we'll want to scroll down and click on Manage Private Apps. And what this is going to do is give us an API key or a password so that ThemeKit knows how to connect to our Shopify store. So what we'll want to do is create a new private app. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it me. And here, you'll want to make sure that this theme templates and theme assets, this is set to read and write. And then if you keep scrolling down, we'll have a checkbox here to allow the app to get access to all of our store data. Click on Save. And now we have a new app that we can use to connect to ThemeKit. So we'll want to grab this password. So go ahead and show, highlight it all, copy it. And I'm going to create a folder called Fashion Theme. And in here is where I'm going to create a configuration file. So let's go into our terminal, and what we can do is, I know I'm in the Shopify directory already, or just go find where you've downloaded or where you've created this fashion theme folder. So I know it's just fashion theme right here. You can actually just highlight this, copy it, do a Command C if you're on a Mac. Click CD so that you're at the root directory, and then CD, just like that. And now you are in your fashion theme folder, the one that you've just created. And in here, what we're going to do is create a configuration file. So we'll do touch config YAML. And what this is essentially doing is creating just this file here. So if we go into Sublime Text and we click on Open, you'll see that this configuration file is just a blank file. And what we want to do here is type in a few things. So we'll have type in development. Oh, and one thing to remember, that this has to be called config.yaml. That's how ThemeKit knows to use this to connect out to our Shopify store. We'll type in our password, which is what we had right here. Copy it. Go back into Sublime Text. We'll have our theme ID. And how we get our theme ID is go to Online Store on the left-hand side here again. You'll see that we have this fashion theme here. Click on Actions, Edit Code. And you'll see at the top here, we have this number. This is the ID of the theme. So go ahead, copy that, paste it in here. And then the last thing that we need to add is store. So this is called Udemy Fashion.myshopify.com. Save it. And this is the configuration file that we'll be using. So now back into our terminal here, what we can do is theme download. And what this is doing is downloading all of those themes again. Essentially, it's downloading those files inside the fashiontheme.zip file, but it's using this configuration.yaml file here to connect out to our Shopify store. And so that's how we have now connected ThemeKit to the theme that we have uploaded in Shopify. And so in the next video, we can begin integrating our HTML template.